Good afternoon, sir. Today I'm going to demonstrate the part of our resuscitation for our CPR for adults. So it's a combination of chest compression and rescue breathing. So the LLS, so look, listen, and feel. So look for the chest movement. Listen in the breathing sound and feel the pulse or the breathing. So the ABCs are airways, breathing, and circulation. And the CEP is the compression, airways, and breathing. And the RP, so rescue breathing. So when to stop CPR. So S is for continuous, signs of breathing and pulse. T is for turnover, professional rescuer, and O for
Exhausted.
operator over exhausted, and P is for physician, assumes responsibility, and S is for C is no longer safe. So DOTS, so deformity, open bones, the tenderness, and the swelling. So scenario, in a public area, we saw a man lying on the ground unconscious. So I'm going to do the check the area if it's safe. So from front to side and to the back, up and the down for any falling debris. So the area is safe. So I'm going to verbal approach the patient or the unconscious man. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? So negative response. So I'm going to do the physical approach. Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? Hey sir, are you okay? So negative response. So I'm going to go for the universal help. So help. Hey, come in the gray. So scrap suit. Can you call for I am actually called Puno and I am a trained first aider. I am here at the ACF, Ebola Village, Libertad, Barangay Butuan City. Can you call 117 because there's a man lying on the ground unconscious, and don't drop the call and come back immediately. Next is we're going to do the check the patient from head to toe if there's any bleeding. None. Open the zipper. Check if there's any bleeding. None. Lower extremity. None. So max head tilt to watch check the airways of the mouth and nose if there's any blockage. Okay. None. Now I'm going to do the LLF. LLF, so the index finger in the middle finger in the carotid and the other arm in the abdomen. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. So negative pulse and negative breathing. So I'm going to give the chest compression or the CEP. So in the SIFO process, above the SIFO process, 2 to 3 fingers. In the mid-stern. So mid-sternum. So use the base of the hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2.
Kisses on Sunday.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Higit sir, tiwasan sa
7, 8, 9, 3.
magtiwas ang Grabe, hindi si Snake ba? Di magpabilbil.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3.
Diri ra boy kay nasugda naman diri. Ang mga kambal. Ano?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5. Hindi tinagawa ng Mari. So, Udele.
Diri ra na sir. Oy.
We have a positive pulse and negative reading, so I'm going to do the RB or the rescue reading. So, no. 1, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1001, low. 1, 1002, 1003, 1002, low. And give blood, wash blood, and give one last blow. So do the LLF. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 2008, 2009, 2010. We have a positive pulse and positive reading. So put the patient in a recovery position. Raise the nearest arm and the farthest arm in the abdomen and bend the farthest knee. So we're going to do the DOTS. So by asking, check if there's a deformities in the head. None. Sir, what is your name? None. Sir, what is how old are you? The lower extremity, check. None, sir.
Check the head, is your name, sir? No signs of deformities. Do you have any cancers? No signs of deformities.
Okay, sir. On the top. So check is that if there are check the deformities if there's any check if there's a deformities to none.
What is your name, sir? No signs of deformities.
Sir,
Yeah.
there's no sign of deformities. How old are you, sir? So there is no sign of tenderness. When there is where is your address? So there is no sign of swelling. So rest the patient. Stay the patient in the recovery position in 5 minutes. So let the patient vomit and avoid expiration. Now, after 5 minutes, the ambulance have arrived. Now put the patient in supine position. So inform the rescuer to bring the patient in the nearest hospital.
Okay. How deep